We have Rosa here today with her linen and cotton skirt on, with the patch pockets and top stitching. As you can see, the flare is at the bottom, but the hips hang close to the body, so it's a very nice shape for her. Also, let's take a look at the lining. This has this beautiful cotton lining. The lining will help the fabric not wrinkle, help the outer fabric not wrinkle, because it'll buffer the outer fabric when it's worn, and it also will give the garment a lot longer life. It will last longer because it will have less abrasion when being worn. How does it feel on you?
Great.
Good.
Comfortable.
Let's take a look at this with a different top. Here is Rosa with a sailor top that was made to go with this skirt. So now we have the whole sailor look. This particular fabric is also a linen and cotton, and the tie is charmeuse, silk charmeuse. Can you turn for us and we'll see the whole look? The blouse was not intended to be terribly fit. I wanted it a little bit loose for comfort. How does it feel?
Very comfortable.
Good. So we have one more skirt to show you that's based on this pattern for a different look. Here we have Rosa in the same skirt, but pure linen and in turquoise. And the top stitching again is in white. These skirts are extremely versatile. You've now learned how to make a simple A-line skirt with a waistband, patch pockets, button down the front, extension for buttons and buttonholes. You can make this in countless fabrics, colors, and different lengths too will give it a different look for dressy or casual.